Consider the limit as x goes to minus 4 of the fraction 4 plus x over the quantity square root of 13 plus x minus 3. In order to simplify the radical term, we need to use the conjugate expression. As a result, we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with the conjugate of square root of 13 plus x minus 3, which is square root of 13 plus x plus 3. Therefore, we have to expand and simplify the whole expression using basic algebraic techniques. The problem becomes, limit as x goes to minus 4 of the quantity 12, plus 3x plus 4, plus x times the square root of 13, plus x over the quantity 4, plus x. It comes that, we factorize the numerator and denominator in order to find a potential common factor, then simplify the common factor. Thus, when we plug minus 4 in the new expression, we find out that the limit is 6.